Hi everyone, happy holidays. I'm here to talk to you today about Google Sheets. Google Sheets is one of the 3 ways to import data into Kumu. You simply fill out the sheet in a way that Kumu understands, then you connect that sheet to your Kumu map, and after that, the data will automatically be brought into your Kumu map. Now, Google Sheets is a great thing to use when you know that you'll still be making a lot of changes to your data. So let's say that you have new data coming in or you want to add or delete. As soon as you do that in the Google Sheets, your Kumu map will be updated after a simple refresh of the page. Now, that makes Google Sheets perfect for situations where you want to crowdsource data, or you want to create a survey for others to fill out, or you simply want to connect to an external integration. All those options are great with Google Sheets, and I created a guide called the Ultimate Guide to Google Sheets that explains exactly how to do all that and how to set up those connections. So click that link below and you can check it out.